Have you ever walked away from a conversation and thought, why did that just get super weird? Nothing dramatic happened. No one yelled, but something shifted. The energy changed, and suddenly it felt extremely awkward. If that has ever happened to you, you are not bad at communicating. You are just human. Today, I'm going to break down why conversations get awkward and what you can actually do in the moment to fix it. So, what awkward actually is? First, let's just normalize something right off the bat. Awkwardness, it's not failure, it really is uncertainty. Awkward moments happen when someone doesn't know how to respond, there's a mismatch in tone, a boundary gets bumped, or expectations shift unexpectedly. Awkward is just the brain going, wait, what is happening here? And when we don't know what's happening, our nervous system lights up. And that's when we over explain. That's when we joke to deflect, or we change the subject, or oftentimes we just fill the silence. We can shut down completely. If any of this sounds familiar, let me know. The five most common reasons conversations get awkward. First is oversharing too fast. So one person is in a light chat mode, the other person jumps into something deeply personal, and it's not wrong, it's just a mismatched pacing. So awkwardness can equal like emotional speed difference if you put it in that context. Or someone feels exposed. So maybe a joke hit too close to home, maybe a comment felt like criticism, maybe someone got called out in some way. And when people feel exposed, they don't always say it, they just shift. Another way is silence. Silence shows up. So silence isn't bad, but most of us were really conditioned to believe that silent means that something is wrong or they're judging me or I need to fix this. So we kind of panic fill the space. And when we panic fill the space, that's what actually creates more awkwardness. That's what creates the awkwardness. There's this unspoken tension. So you disagreed, you felt hurt, something landed in the wrong way, but nobody's naming it. So unspoken tension is awkwardness fuel, right? When we don't address what's here, there's just like this elephant in the room that's awkward. Another piece is you become just really self-aware mid-sentence. So this one is really huge. This one's pretty normal. You start talking, and then halfway through, you think, oh no, that sounded really off. That sounded really weird. And now you're not in the conversation anymore. You're more inside your own head, you're inside your own thoughts. And when you leave the moment, that's when the energy shifts and it becomes awkward. So, how to fix this in real time? That's the empowering part. Awkward doesn't need to spiral. You can really learn to regulate it within a conversation. So you're just going to first lightly name the shift that happened. You can say that came out weird. Let me try that again. You can say, I'm not sure I said that how I meant it, or that felt awkward. I think I, just got in my head a little bit. I want to start over. Just naming it really releases it. So most people feel relieved when someone acknowledges the moment, and then it makes it less awkward. So, first, you're going to acknowledge it. Then you can slow the pace down. So, if things feel rushed or tense, just slow down. Take a breath. Lower your tone slightly. Let the silence exist for an extra 2 seconds just to calm your nervous system. And that reduces the awkwardness instantly, right? If you just take a breath and you ground yourself, you're connected again. And the other thing you can do is just ask a grounded question. So instead of spiraling, see if you can anchor the conversation. What are your thoughts on that? Or how did that land for you? Or, can I just clarify for a moment what I meant? Because curiosity often repairs that awkwardness, it repairs that tension. And another piece to practice is just stop trying to perform in these moments. So awkwardness increases when we switch into like, do they like me? Did that sound smart? Am I saying this right? And the fixed is really to shift from performing to actually connecting, because connection really tolerates imperfection. So here's the truth, right? Most awkward moments, they're shared moments. The other person is usually thinking, did that get weird too? Right? And you don't need to, perfect wording. All you need is to be present in the moment so you're aware of the awkwardness. Awkwardness isn't a sign that you failed, it's often a sign that you're stretching socially, and that's growth. So if you have ever replayed a conversation in your head for hours, you are definitely not alone and you're not broken in any way. You're just navigating something that every one of us navigates. If this was helpful, make sure you subscribe because next week I'm going to be talking about how to stop over explaining yourself in conversations. And if awkward conversations are something you struggle with regularly, I have, my Mindful Communication Insider where I share deeper communication tools that you can use in real life, and I'll link it below. So I will see you next week.